Hello everybody, welcome to today's live. I just wanted to show you guys what we have in store right now. We are restocking, and here is a look at what we have in store today. I'm also going to go over some of the safety precautions that we currently are taking in store. We are checking your temperature as you come in. We also have 8 hand sanitizers around the store, so we constantly are using hand sanitizer all day, and we encourage you to use it as well. And you must have your mask to enter. We are open right now Wednesday through Saturday from 12 to 5 p.m. by appointment only. All of the wigs that you see behind me are available at magichaircompany.com in our featured wig section. At checkout, you can either choose for your item to be shipped to you, and we have free shipping on all orders, or you can select to pick your order up here in store, and you would pick it up during our business hours, which are currently our new business hours are Wednesday through Saturday from 12 to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. By appointment only. You must book your appointment on our text number, which is 424-258-0657. We have lots of wigs in store, so I'm going to briefly show them to you. I know it's not Friday at 3 p.m. for our live wig show, but we, as usual on Wednesdays, we get a lot of calls with what do we have in stock. Hi! So I'm going to briefly show you guys what we have in store here, because we are getting a lot of shipments in right now, and we have a lot of wigs in. All of these wigs are slowly getting updated on our glueless wig section. And like I said, you can schedule a pickup with our cool little bucket here, and we will meet you at your car and drop off your order. So you can either choose for your order to be shipped to you as normal, or you can pick it up here in store. The benefits of being able to pick it up in store, if you need to come in, we will definitely accommodate you. We will definitely make sure you know how to properly take on and off your unit and how to hydrate and care for your unit. We include the care instructions in your order. And if you have any questions, we're here, but we're only here right now Wednesday through Saturday from 12 to 5 p.m. by appointment only, and we are definitely obeying all social distancing measures because we want to keep everybody healthy, happy, and safe. So this is what we're going to do now. We're going to do lots of more live videos to show you guys what we have in here, so that way you don't have to just say, hey, what do you have? You can see our video, and yeah. Also guys, don't forget our product line. It's selling out really fast right now, especially if you need to take care of your wig and extensions at home. These are the perfect products you guys want to get. Right here is our hydrating curl definer amplifier is what gets your texture looking amazing. Check out this hair right here that I of course use the hydrating curl definer and amplifier on. That's the only thing I use on my hair, and I've been wearing this wig since November. So yeah, this is some of our curly hair that we custom colored in store. This is one of my favorites, but I always use the hydrating curl definer and amplifier. It does not break my skin out. That's one thing that I have to worry about with using products, so this is what I use. And then we have our edge tamer here to, smooth those baby hairs down. Whoops. And then we of course have our shampoo and conditioner combo, which is exactly what you need to revitalize and bring that wig back to life. This is exactly what you need to use to maintain your extensions at home. You need the shampoo and conditioner combo. So yeah, if you guys ever have any questions, my name is Janice. I am the owner of Magic Hair Company, located here in Culver City, where we are a premium glueless wig provider. We do cut the lace on all of our wigs that you see here in store, either before it gets shipped to you or while you're here in store. Let us know how I can assist you. We do custom coloring here in store, and yeah, shop with us if you want the best. All right, yeah, So let me show you guys what we have in store today. I don't know if you want to stay over there or come over here. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, as usual, I'm here. I'm happy to assist and help you. If you're just tuning in, our current hours are Wednesday through Saturday from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. by appointment only. And you must text us to make your appointment. Our appointment number is 424-258-0657. And all of the wigs that you see here, pay attention to the 3-digit unit number. So you see this beautiful unit right here. It has a 3-digit unit number right here. Each wig has its own, individual unit number, which makes it easily searchable on our website, magichaircompany.com. And let's pin that at the bottom. And all of these wigs are in the featured wig section. All items in the featured wig section can ship in 1 to 3 days. They're in stock and ready to ship out to you. So if your hairstylist is unavailable, come shop with us here at Magic Hair Company because we have many glueless wig options for you to look at today. We're only going to be on for a little bit today. We're just getting on here because we were getting a lot of calls over the weekend about what we have in store. So to my beautiful clients that I know are looking for something specific, I see you guys out there and I'm trying to show you guys what I think you would like. And yeah, this is unit number 296. This is a 20-inch silky straight unit. Our hair is always soft. It's always the best quality available. All of our wigs are glueless. All of my wigs have a really, really natural hairline, as you can see right here, how natural this hairline looks. It's free parting. Let me actually part this for you. So this is unit number 296, and you can really just part it however you want here. So, and this is not a full lace wig. This is one of our 360 lace wigs, but it still has a lot of parting space here at the top. So if you're looking for a 20-inch silky straight, unit number 296 is the way to go. She's in stock, ready to go. This is about where 296 will fall on you, just in case you're curious. Is that a weird angle? Does that work? Okay, so this is where 296 will fall on you. And to maintain 296 at home, this is what you need right here is our hydrating our keratin shampoo and conditioner. These are the perfect products you need to maintain your wig at home. So if you need a little revitalization, use that. We have some colored wigs in store. We have wig number 481. Once again, if you're just tuning in, go to our website, magichaircompany.com, featured wig section, and you will find all the information you need about these wigs right here today. They can either ship directly to you, or you can select in-store pickup, and you can schedule a pickup and pick up your wig right here in store. If you have any questions about how does the wig fit, how do you put it on, take it on and off, we will gladly assist you here in store with fitting your wig, because we want to make sure that you're comfortable with the wig, that you know how to wear it. It is a glueless wig, so you just cut the lace and it's ready to go. This is a really popular wig. We know this is not going to be here very long. This is a color. This is a nice 10-inch curly. This is wig number 333. This is a 14-inch straight wig. This is wig number 486. Just to get an idea of where this 14-inch will fall on you, this is where it falls on me. So I hope this kind of helps.
Turn it to the back.
This way?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, that's where that will fall on me.
Okay.
And I am 5'9", if anybody's concerned. So this is wig number 486. She has some subtle highlights here. All of our hair is really soft. All of our hair was colored here in store by our awesome colorist. If you're concerned about the integrity of the hair changing after it's colored, just let us color the wig for you, because we're very familiar with coloring hair, and we'll guarantee any of our hair that we color. So if you like this is wig number 491. If you like a little bit of color, we were getting a lot of requests over the weekend for 12 and 14 inches with a little bit of color. And with all of our color, we make it versatile. Let me put this one down for you and show you how versatile this one is. So this is wig number 491. It's a 14-inch wavy. Check out this texture. We can cut some additional layers into this unit if you like. It has some subtle color. This is where our part is now. The part is not set there. The part is just there because that's where we dried the unit. But if you want to change the part on a texture like this, just do it while it's wet. Make a part wherever you like and just comb it over like so. And the part is going to look very natural wherever you parted in this wig. And this is a front lace wig from Magic Hair Company. Our full lace wigs can be parted just the same. But I was just showing you that the color is going to still fall beautifully. However you change your part, the part is not set. It's going to be a nice, natural looking part. You don't need to go in and re-pluck it again. You don't need to over pluck it. There is a less dense hairline right here with baby hair all the way around this perimeter. So once the lace is cut, your wig is still going to look nice and natural. The knots are pre-bleached. This is as natural as it gets. There's no need to over pluck and over bleach your hair. Shop with us if you want the best. And then the best way to maintain this, to get it nice and defined again, is to use the hydrating curl definer and amplifier. This is available on our website, magichaircompany.com. We do have our own Instagram page for our hair care product line. So if you want to stay up to date on all the latest updates, follow us at mhc.hair product, no S. So mhc.hairproduct, and that is the Instagram page for our hair care product line. This is what I highly, highly recommend to get your curly and wavy textures defined. Our curl definer and amplifier, which is available in store and online. And then of course, use the shampoo and conditioner combo to revitalize your wig. And that will keep your wigs from Magic Hair Company lasting for years and years to come. Yes, I did say years. If you want quality hair, shop with us. I've been in business for over 10 years. I have the most reliable manufacturers who are serving up the best wigs in the industry. If you've been with me for many years, as many of my clients have been, you notice I always have some subtle changes on the cap construction, more of and adding different types of bands in, because I'm always trying to stay up to date with the best technology and best natural security of our wigs. Here is our current cap construction. We have a adjustable band here. So this is a little bit different than our last adjustable band, which was a hook. Now we have this here, which you just easily slide it up or down to wherever you want to adjust that. We will also be introducing the replacement hooks available on our website soon. You can completely remove this on both sides. You see it's just I don't know what this kind of hook is, but you can adjust it into 1, 2, 3, 4 different hooks right here and just slide it in wherever it's most comfortable for you, and you can remove that on both sides. So if you're going to wear this wig with glue and not glueless, I always recommend removing the band to reserve the elasticity and you can just put that on. This is for when you're wearing the wig glueless. So although on our mannequin head, you see that the strap is here under the chin, when you actually wear this and the lace is cut, you will put your strap in the back here like so. So the strap will actually go in the back here to pull down all of this front tension right here. So that is the purpose of the strap in the back. So it pulls down the tension in the back of your hair at your nape to make this lace lay nice and flat underneath. And as you guys can see, my nails are this beautiful, I don't know what to call it, neon-ish color. Our cap underneath hides a lot of what's going on underneath because it's not transparent, and we do have a cap built in there. So you can really see that my nails disappear there, and that's because we have a built-in scalp illusion here. So if you don't like wearing a stocking cap underneath your cap, you don't have to, because we already have this scalp illusion built here. And no matter where you part this here, it's going to show straight through to that scalp illusion. And yeah, so that is the inside cap construction on the Magic Hair Company front lace wig. This wig right here is wig number 491, available in our featured wig section. And we have all of these wigs here right now, guys. We are slowly updating our...
They said that's a great idea because they hate to wear a cap.
Yep. So we listen to your feedback, and I'm always trying to make improvements on the wigs that we have in store. If you're new to the company, my name is Janice. I am the owner of Magic Hair Company. We're located here in Culver City. I've had this store here in Culver City for 7 years now. I have a wig boutique in Culver City, California. Come on out. Well, not now because it's COVID. Don't come out. Check and take a look at our website, magichaircompany.com. Look at our featured wig section, which we're updating daily to always have the wigs that we currently have in stock that can be shipped out in 1 to 3 days. During checkout on our website, you can either select for the wig to be shipped to you. We do ship internationally, yes. I know that's a question coming up. Yes, we do ship internationally. Or you can select to pick the wig up here in store. Our pickup hours right now are Wednesday through Saturday from 12 to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. You must text us to make an appointment. Our appointment line is 424-258-0657. We are here to help and assist you. Right now, in-store color is free. We are not taking any installation appointments. We will gladly show you how to take on and off your unit as a glueless unit, but we're not currently doing any glue downs or sew-ins right now in store. Once again, if you need to maintain your hair at home, your hair extensions, use our keratin shampoo and conditioner. It is highly, highly recommended. It will revitalize and bring your extensions back to life. So if you have human hair extensions, not synthetic, but human hair extensions, I highly recommend you to pick up our hair care product line. It's available on our website and online. Yeah, so we're constantly restocking right now. Thank you everybody who has been supporting my business, especially during COVID. As a small Black-owned business, I greatly, greatly appreciate every single person that comes in here. Right now, everybody that's been coming in have been longtime clients of mine, and I just love and appreciate all the support. I appreciate it. Thank you guys. I could break down and cry right now, but I won't. And yeah, so I'm here, guys. Let me know how I can further assist you. Stay tuned for the new content. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend. We're here in Culver City. We have the best glueless, full lace, and front lace wigs available. We do custom coloring in store. We can create the custom wig of your dreams. Check us out at magichaircompany.com. My name is Janice. Thank you everybody for watching. We will see you soon. And do not forget to check out our live wig show every Friday, 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, right here on Instagram Live. Like, follow, subscribe, set your reminders. I'll see you guys soon. Thank you for watching.